All right, this is where we're at in the bathroom. We have sealed all the joints where the door rock, whatever, meets, and put the mesh tape on. We have red guarded. That's why it's red. It looks really funny from outside because it looks like we painted our room red when you look in the window. We put down our Detra. So all our membranes are up for the waterproofing. There's our tile, and I am going to start working on that today. I'm hoping to not finish, but at least lay the tile, so all I have to do tomorrow is grout. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna show some tiling process as we go.
I should.
Hello? Trying to find me?
Yeah, you're not at work?
No.
When I'm cutting a hole in this tile, do I cut it from the face of the tile or the back of the tile?
You mean you're cutting a larger hole through it?
The little hole.
You want to cut from the face.
The face, okay.
From the back, you'll...
I think I know what I'm doing this time. We shall see. All right, Andy's getting ready to spray our primer. We're all taped off. Just gonna use this guy, and we still have to go clean the other room.
Yeah, of course. YouTube legend. Rob.
What?
Exactly.
We got our doors. All 6 of our doors. We're about to open those up. Everybody's working today. There's Mel in the hallway hiding from the camera.
Hey, man.
Rob and Andy, yeah.
Do these windows not work?
No, they work.
It's just a tilt them out. That's long. Oh, there we go.
They're framing out windows. Got all of our trim stuff we're putting in doors. We're framing windows and we're hanging trim. That's where we're up to.
Oh, yeah.
The tile in the bathroom is in.
So what I was saying is, so look.
Just needs to be finished grouted, not in the shower. The shower's not done yet. So that's where we're at. Oh.
There's your
Do you hear
ice
it?
cream man. Huh?
Ice cream, man. Every time we're working on something. What piece? Mine usually
Yeah,
right here.
it's awful big.
Does it? Maybe I told you the wrong dimension.
Oh gosh, yeah, it's like an inch off.
Maybe I told you the wrong side of the
It's supposed to be
roller.
1, 2, 1 and...
Probably.
I'm gonna tape measure back in.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
Huh? All that hard work and that doesn't fit any better?
Why is this sticking out so much? Am I leaking again? Seriously?
Oh my god. Breastfeeding problems.